Did you know that ultrasound heat treatment or therapy comes in different forms? Ultrasound heat therapy, not to be confused with ultrasound, the test which you may have when you are pregnant, can help with pain. I briefly spoke of ultrasound heat therapy when I made my epidural review. I had told my chiropractor that I found an article on piriformis syndrome, and one of the treatments suggested was to have ultrasound heat therapy. The ultrasound heat therapy really did help me, and I was able to use my legs better in order to walk. The piriformis is a muscle which is located in the glutes, and it does help you to walk. So it really did help to have the ultrasound heat therapy, and I should have never had the epidurals. I developed a problem walking after I had some antibiotics, and I discussed that in an earlier video. I didn't even know that my chiropractor had an ultrasound heat lamp, but I was so glad that he did. Now, I received treatments on alternate sides of the glutes where the piriformis muscle is when I went for my treatments. So one time I had the left side done, another time I had the right side done. I would lay on my stomach, and the heat lamp was just placed over the area that needed to be treated, and it never touched my skin. I did not even feel anything during the treatments. It took several treatments for me to get results. I do not know if there are more than 2 types of ultrasound machines, but I had received treatment using the ultrasound wand, and I found it very uncomfortable. After I had an x-ray done of my neck, which I have problems with, my doctor sent me to physical therapy, and they used an ultrasound wand. Have to move the cat first. Now, the ultrasound wand, this is just a letter opener. They press it into your skin, and if you have pain already, you can imagine how uncomfortable it is, where the heat lamp just hovers above and never makes contact. When I was getting the ultrasound wand treatment, they had me lean over the cot at physical therapy. So my head was on the cot, and I was sitting in a chair. As they were using the wand, it was very uncomfortable. They used it on my neck and my shoulders. And they had said that I might develop a headache because they had given me some neck exercises and said when you start doing the exercises you can get a headache. But I firmly believe that because my joints are so unstable that the wand itself gave me the headache and something was out of place. One time I went to a substitute chiropractor. They used the ultrasound heat wand on me on the piriformis muscle, and they were pressing into it, and it was so uncomfortable. I didn't even want to continue with the treatment. So if you're looking for a chiropractor, you may want to ask if they have an ultrasound heat lamp. Be sure to research when you should not have ultrasound heat treatments, because there may be certain medical conditions that you should not use this treatment on. Share in the comments if you have had ultrasound heat treatment and say whether or not it was helpful.